Hey everyone, so let's step into how to manipulate Akula's a code. That's the robot, the first global robot with Vambi. Let's go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi broadcast for the control hub. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect to right here, SAMRC. By virtue of you connecting to SAMRC, you can access the IP address that is on port 88. So you're going to use port 88. This IP address is 192.168.43.1. This is what you will use for every first global code that you need activated. And to get on to your code, you're just gonna go ahead and navigate towards blocks, and you could create as many options right here. The one that I'm centered on is this right here. This is our code, and this is what we're gonna consider in the next class. So let's get started. Let's dive into how to deal with the servo motors, the drive to run, etc., etc. All right.